Hey, VA Nation. Today we are going to address one of the biggest questions we get. That is, what is a VA cash out? Let's get after it. All right, hey, it's Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans and Leader One Financial. And today I want to address one of the big questions that we get is what is a VA cash out? Now, when we get asked that question a lot, I kind of try to not digress, but kind of dissect why are you curious what a VA cash out is? Are you more curious of what it is or what it can do for you and how you can use it and your home as a financial tool? And I think really that's the question that most people are asking is, well, how does this work for me or how can I utilize this? Well, there are a lot of different ways and a lot of different ways that you can use your home as a financial tool to not only set up your your world right, but your budget and everything and your credit right. Okay, so let's take a look at a lot of things or some of the things that people do when they do a VA cash out. One thing is they pay off credit card debt. Right now, and I would share my screen, but it is amazing what credit card debt we have in the country, and it just continues to rise. We're at $1.3 trillion right now in total combined credit card debt throughout the United States, which is starting to put a squeeze on people. It has to be with the inflation and things that we have going on. I know there's a lot of people. In fact, I've got some figures here. Let's see if I can find it. We've got 61% of people in the United States that are living paycheck to paycheck, and okay, this is a big number and kind of scary. 12% increase this year over year, okay, of people that have tapped into their 401ks to withdraw funds in order to live. And that whether they're paying off debt, they're paying off, school loans, they're paying off credit cards, car loans, installment loans. There's a lot of installment loan companies out there right now. They'll charge high interest rates, but they give lump sum loans out. So whatever they're paying off, and a lot of people are really just trying to manage their life on a day-to-day basis, which is kind of disturbing when we start seeing people pull from their 401ks because we know that has long-term lasting effects as we move into the future. So what is a VA cash out? A VA cash out is a tool that the VA allows for veterans to cash out of the property that they currently own. So if you own a property and you have 20%, 30%. Let's say you bought it 2 years ago for $300,000 and now it's worth $400,000, which isn't out of the realm because that's what's been happening because the property values continue to go up. You can tap into that equity and use it however you need. If you want to use it to pay cash for a car instead of finance it, if you want to use it for to pay off credit card debt. If you have $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 in credit card debt, you're looking at the statements every month. You're like, my God, I'm never going to be able to get out of this. All I'm doing is paying the dang interest. Maybe this is an opportunity for you, even if the rate is higher than what you're paying right now, to pay that credit card debt off, save money on a total monthly basis, take some of that savings, apply it back towards your mortgage, and then your effective interest rate is even lower. As when I tell you, I know we're going through this and we do it pretty quick because we have to, but if you need or have questions on this to see how it would work for you, it doesn't matter if you commit and go through with the loan, but just to see how it could work for you and how you could save money and then possibly not only save money on a monthly basis, but also pay your house off sooner, even with a higher interest rate, give us a call, 855-956-4040. Any of our VA specialists will help you with this. Hell, ask for me, Jeff Newton. Ask for me. I love the VA cash out, and I love to show you how that money can work for you, and you can use your home as a financial tool. It's an awesome deal. It's great for the VA customer because it's the only loan that you can cash out on above 80% loan to value, but also to 100% loan to value. And in an increasing property value situation like we're in right now, going to 100% isn't necessarily the worst thing ever. Now, we will take a look at it to see if it makes sense. It may make sense to only go to 90%, but you have access to those funds. So check us out, nationalvaloans.com, 855-956-4040. Or again, if you're proactive like I am and you'd like to get things done, just go in, nationalapplynow.com, fill out the application. One of our VA specialists will give you a call, go over all the different opportunities that you have with the VA cash out to utilize it and see how much money that we can save you. We've been able to save people $700, $800, $900 a month, apply that money back in towards their mortgage, and pay their house off in 15 years, 13 years versus the 30 years they were on. What do you think that does to your effective interest rate? It's pretty awesome what it does, to be quite honest with you. So give us a call, 855-956-4040. Check us out, nationalvaloans.com, or again, be proactive. Go in there, fill out that application, nationalapplynow.com, and we'll get you taken care of. All right. We'll help you out. We'll make sure we can answer all your questions. And most importantly, that's what we want to do is answer all your questions. Make sure you're educated so you know what your opportunities are and see if there's a way we can take advantage of them. All right. Again, give us a call 855-956-4040, nationalvaloans.com. Guys, until next time, thank you so much for everything you've done for us. Thank you for your service, and God bless.